Hi guys, welcome to If Your Trades, where we test, track, expose what really works when you're investing in stocks. As you have seen, there's no hype, it's mainly just results. And so far, and if you're not following me, make sure you're following me on TradingView if you're just encountering my content for the very first time, and Twitter, and also YouTube. All right, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about our fourth quarter picks, the very last quarter picks for the year. This is something that we started last year, September 2024, and it has been fantastic. Every quarter has been positive. We've not had any negative quarter since we started in September 2024. So these are the picks already. If you're on my email list, you must have gotten my picks. Now, don't forget, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is my own personal journey, and I'm just putting it out there so that people can have some kind of education on how to invest if you're interested in investing. All right, so there's LEGENDINT. This was the old price, current price. VSP bond. This is the old price, current price. HMCALL. This is the price, current price. TRANSPOWER did pretty well. This was the price, and this was current price. VFD group, pretty much the same. ARADEL has been the star of this, and then you have Cornell negative, and we have SUNUASSUR negative, and then we have Dangote Cement, which has been positive, and we have Multiverse, which is negative. Now, don't forget, I actually did a video. There was a video I did sometime in October. This one right here, technically managing risk as a Nigerian stock market investor. Matter of fact, this actually works for any stock. What I discussed over here works for any stocks. And the reason why I'm coming back to it was, if you know my color codes, right? The color codes stand for low risk, and then the purple color code stands for high risk. Sorry, medium risk. So if you notice, the ones that didn't do well were purple. The ones that are in negative currently are in purple. So it meant that they still had the option of falling. The only way you can understand that is if you go back here and watch. Make sure you watch that. Okay, so let's go into what we normally do. We'll bring this into ChatGPT and see what the price changes are. So for LEGENDINT, price changes positive 13, VSP bond is negative, a little negative, HMCALL is positive, TRANSPOWER is up by 8.9, FD group is positive, ARADEL fantastic over 40%, corn oil negative 9.67, SUNUASSUR negative 10.34, Dangote Cement positive plus 26.65, and Multiverse is negative at 9.7. So when we bring everything, okay, so for, of course, Aradel is the top performer, SUNUASSUR is the worst performer for this month. Today is the 26th of October. And when we come all the way to the average of everything, this is what we have. So our portfolio has moved by 6% in 1 month. So it's still better than the negative. The quarter has not ended. I'm still expecting, for instance, TRANSPOWER to do very well. Well, don't forget, we're using Warren Buffett's method of investing, where we look for undervalued or devalued. So bought around here, even though my stock picks mention for 314, I actually bought just around here. And so we're up like almost 20%. All right, so that's what we have for this video today. The 26th of October, our portfolio is up by 6%. Not bad. I'll have to see you in my very next video. Let me know if you're following. Let me know if this has been useful to you, and I'll see you in my next video.